Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to enable music haptics on iPhone iOS 18. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down little bit and tap on Accessibility. Again, scroll down and under Hearing, tap Music Haptics. Turn on Music Haptics. When available, Music Haptics provides haptics feedback for supported songs. Under Available Apps, you will find a list of apps on your device compatible with the feature. Tap Play Sample to feel the effects while holding your iPhone. Go back and close Settings app. Once you enable Music Haptics, open Apple Music on your iPhone. On Now Playing screen, you will see Music Haptics. Tap on it, Music Haptics icon to pause it, and tap again on paused to resume Music Haptics. Also, you can open Control Center and you can pause and resume Music Haptics from Control Center. So these are the steps to enable Music Haptics on iPhone iOS 18. If you would like to disable Music Haptics, simply go to the Music Haptics and turn off Music Haptics. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.